Hey everybody, we're going to edit our teacher pages today. So if you're at the North High School website, you can just click on the teachers and then find your name. First, because we want to get an image in there, and then just like one link. So we're going to use the image that has been put on Schoology for us. So if I go to Schoology and just go to my profile, then I can take this picture, I right click on it, and I'm going to save image as. And then I've already done it, so I just put me, and good, I've already saved that image. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do, is just save that image as something on your desktop so you can upload it later. And then we go back here, and I'll go down and find me. There's nothing much there so far. And then you got to go up to user options and click sign in. And that is the first letter of your first name and your last name, and then whatever your password is. Alright, so now we've signed in, and then we get to this page. So we got to go back up to user options and go to Site Manager, which will open a new window and makes it all green and funky. And then you just click on Course and Contact Information. And then you come up here and click on that again. And now you're in the editable format. So I'm going to put my picture right up there. So I just click and put the cursor there, and I'm going to go to Insert Image, and I'm going to upload an image. And we want it to be thumbnail size. And then we're going to browse, and I'm going to find me, and we got it, and we're going to continue. Now it makes you put something here, alternate text. I'm not sure why. So I just put me, and then insert image, and there we go. You're done. Okay, now basically then what we need is your picture, your name, email address, phone number, a link to Schoology, and the classes you've taught. That's it. To add the link, I've already done it, but I would just type the text I want it to say. So I said link to Schoology, highlight that link, and then hit the insert link button, and then you need to go down to web address and then type in the Schoology link, and then that's what the text says. Open in a new window, great, and then hit insert link, and you are done. And at the end you got to make sure to hit the save button, otherwise you'll have to do it all again. And that's it.